Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Oracle, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start investing with Oracle, create an account on the Oracle investment platform. Visit their official website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Log into your new account using your credentials. Complete your investor profile by providing necessary details about your financial situation and investment goals. Next, link your bank account or credit card for easy fund transfers. Understand the different types of investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and objectives. Take advantage of any educational resources Oracle offers to enhance your investment knowledge. Begin by researching potential investments within your selected categories. Use Oracle's analysis tools to evaluate the performance and outlook of different assets. Once you feel confident, select the assets you wish to invest in. Decide how much money you want to allocate to each investment. Confirm your investments and review the transaction details before finalizing. Monitor your investment portfolio regularly through the platform. Stay informed about market trends and news that may affect your investments. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in your investments. Review your investment performance periodically to ensure it meets your goals. Adjust your strategy if necessary, based on your portfolio's performance and market conditions. Always remember to invest responsibly and never put in more than you can afford to lose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.